So just continuing on, so obviously, we've done the wingspan of the rear wing. Alright, so you can obviously do the front as well. So if we go to the dimensions, you go from one side of the wing to the other. So I'll try that again. So you might want to just do that point to that point. Okay, so that's 17.51. You want to show obviously your exclusion zone as well. So we could do the bottom view for this, and we go from the back of the wheel to, it's probably easier if you select points, or even there, they'll be fine. Alright, so there's 21.6 mil. Alright, so yeah, you need at least 15 mil there, so that's good. If you're showing clear airspace from around your wheel, for example, we could show from like here to that point, and there you go, so 9.6. Okay, we can do the back as well, so from here to that point, it's 2.5. We could also show the angle here, so from that line to there, right, which needs to be 45-degree angle there. Right, there's a few other dimensions. Obviously, like the thickness of the wings as well is important. So yeah, either like the back, front, or side view, you can do that quite easily. So if we selected the bottom to the top here, that's 5 mil. And obviously we can do the same here. So we could go from like here to maybe that point there. All right, 3.76. Okay. Yeah, so whatever dimensions that you need to show, whether it's for the competition or whether it's for the class, go ahead and check the regulations. Make sure that you've got all the right dimensions for them. Obviously, if you don't, then you're going to have to make changes. So, but yeah, if you are in the competition, like an F1 skills competition, I would highly recommend doing these codes here to make it a bit easier for the judges to see the regulations. Alright, so let's say you've done all of those. Another thing that you're going to have to do is to edit this title block here. So, alright, you've got all these different bits and pieces here of information you can chuck in. All you have to do, I'll just hit escape to get rid of the dimension tool. Alright, but if you just double click on the title block here, then you can start typing in some of the information. So, the title here could be, I don't know, F1 in schools, final car. It could be drawing number 1. Alright, so you can go through and start adding all the information. Alright, approved by, you could put someone in your team. I'm just going to write my own name. Alright, but yeah, go ahead and edit this information as you need. Okay, once you're happy with that, then obviously you can click off of it. Alright, and then carry on with your drawing. But yeah, that's how you edit that type.